Hello, everybody. This is Martin Ramirez from Mi5. Mi5 stands for Millionaire in 5 Years or Less. That's my program and my motto. So let's get into this video today. Now, this is Stock Moe. He's a YouTuber, and he's talking about how he would use the S&P 500 to invest in with a 9.8% return. Now, this video is how to become a millionaire by investing in the stock market, and which is the best way, or should you use leveraged ETFs like he is in this particular instance. Now, he's established an annual salary of $31,200 per year, and he's going to contribute hypothetically 10% of that income, with annual salary increase of 3%, starting at the age of 18, ending at the retirement age of 67 years old, with an annual rate of return of 9.8% based upon that S&P 500. So total employee contributions cash is going to be $348,806. So with his calculations, that rate of return will bring you, after 49 years, it should bring you about $4.5 million, which doesn't sound too bad, right? A lot of people say, wait a minute. Now, there's one problem. They don't want to wait till they're 67 years old to become a millionaire, and they figure, I want to enjoy myself before I get to be at the age of 67. So let me just show you something real quick. And this rings a bell a lot with I don't know if you guys have watched Dave Ramsey. His videos are very similar. How he talks about mutual funds. Mutual funds are very similar to ETFs, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So mutual funds versus ETFs. What's the difference, right? Let me scroll down a little bit here. Mutual fund versus ETF, an overview. Mutual funds and exchange traded funds, ETFs, have a lot in common. Both types of funds consist of a mix of many different assets and represent a common way for investors to diversify. There are key differences, though, in a way that they are managed. ETFs can be traded like stocks, while mutual funds can only be purchased at the end of each trading day based on a calculated price. Mutual funds are also actively managed, meaning a fund manager makes decisions about how to allocate assets in the fund. ETFs, on the other hand, are usually passively managed and based more simply on a particular market index. Now, my takeaway from this particular video. This video is great for those of you who are 16, maybe 18, just getting into the job market. You can follow his strategy, make $4.5 million by the time you are 67 years old. Downside is you've only made $4.5 million, and you have to be 67 years old before you can actually use this money. So if you want to enjoy your middle-aged years, forget about it. You got to wait till you're an old man or woman before you can really enjoy this. You got to be a grandpa or a grandma. Now, what about those of you who are watching right now who are already 30, who are already 40, maybe even 50 years old? Your retirement is not that far away and you're still working hard and you have not gotten ahead yet. Well, all is not lost. I was finally able to retire by the age of 40, and I didn't really start investing till just a few years ago. Now, instead of relying on 9.8% of return, let me log into my account here. And in my Robinhood, if you guys don't know about Robinhood, it's a free trading app where you can trade stocks, trade them, by options and things like that. Now, instead of 9.8% return, I have a total return of 85.91%. Now, that's the power of investing in one single growth stock. If you guys don't know which growth stock I invested in, I suggest you watch my previous videos where I revealed the stock that I've been using. And it has paid an enormous amount to me so far, just in a little over a month. You can imagine what it would do in 1, 2, 3, or even 4 years from now. So that's my contribution to this video. Shout out to Stock Moe, and good luck to his daughter who works at Target. I think that's absolutely amazing. I wish both of them the very best, and I wish you guys the best. That's why I made this video. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will go more into detail on my next videos of how I was able to achieve this 85.9 something % return. And I'll see you guys on the next video.